At the very core of ʻImi Naʻauao is ʻOhana Waʻa. And I think at the very core of ʻOhana Waʻa are all of those who started Hokule'a in the 70s. And it's perpetuating, it's making sure that their legacy and their birthright continues.
When you make the commitment to be in, that's what's on your mind.
The annual ʻImi Naʻauao ʻOhana Waʻa Crew Training multi-day event allows canoe crew members across the state to collaborate in various canoe trainings, both in and out of the classroom.
Every island has a different ʻano, every island has a different spirit, and that spirit feeds a collective spirit.
This core value of unity was amplified in this annual training as all crew members prepared for potential sailing opportunities in the worldwide voyage. With this focus in mind, it was fitting that the training take place at the Marine Education Training Center, where Hokule'a and Hikianalia are taught.
One of the first things that we wanted to accomplish was making sure that we could give our ʻOhana members time at METC with Hokule'a, with Hawaii Loa, with Hikianalia prior to the canoes leaving.
This time of bonding also meant a time to solidify canoe protocol across all crews.
Keia maulala mai nā ʻohana like ole a puni o Hawaii. O na mea liʻiliʻi o koʻa iki paha, aka e a'o like. Ale o lelo ana keia ke ala pololei ole. O keia ke ala like. I like ai, I alu like, I lo kahi ka noʻono o ka manao. Holopono ai ka waʻa.
E huki, e huki, e huki ke kaula, e kau, e kau. E kau ka pea, e holo, e holo, e holo ka wa'a holo.
Crews were also able to physically apply this alulike mindset through fitness training, canoe protocol, sail planning, and safety training, both in and out of the classroom. An opportunity that allowed for mentorship from experienced deep sea crew members.
All the young people,
You see the gleam, the excitement.
I think that's why they asked the old guys to come back to help with the training and the organization and the sailing, and so we can pass them on.
Keia mau poe kupuna I nā ole o lako a ole mako keia manawa. Ne ke kahi mea ui ho manao nui ai o lelo ana kala mea I amako e mea ho paa ni ke kaula. O keia manawa mai ke I o ko. Hoa o ko me ka makapo. Me ka nana ole e pani ka maka e hoa o hana ho tu iwa ka poe le he. A ole hiki au ke ike. E o lelo e pela no maka wā I ka po me ka makani nui, ale nui. Pono e lilu I ho'okahi o e me ka wā e ho'okahi.
We've been doing ʻImi Naʻauao for about 7 years, almost 8. But we made history because there were many, many collective aha moments that we had together that will just take us to a whole nother way or standard of doing things when we come together.
Ke ha'alele mako me ka pili I oilo aku, ka ikaika ke kahi ke kahi.
We consistently have this spirit of love and aloha that transcends everything that we do. And that was amplified this weekend, and it empowers and it behooves all of us. E ʻohana waʻa, we have a lot to be grateful for.
This is Ku'ule Vizela with OEB TV for the Worldwide Voyage. To stay connected, visit hokulea.org. Aloha!